Okay, so what we need to do is actually log into the system. As of right now, you're obviously looking at just the viewer end. So we're going to click on user options here at the very top right. We're going to click on sign in, and you're going to sign in with your Novell username and password. Your Novell username and password is what you use to log into your computer each day. So I'm just going to use the one that I created here. Click sign in, and then what's going to happen is it's going to then take me to the page again, and it looks exactly the same. But what you do is you go to user options again and then click on site manager. Now once you click on site manager, you're looking at the back end of the site, and it'll allow you to make your changes from here. So you'll notice that when you logged into yours just now, you'll notice that your name is at the top here. And what we're going to do is then begin to edit these 3 different pages that are here. Now the first thing we'll have you do is just go ahead and delete Canvas connection. We're going to go ahead and just make this an actual link that's going to be on the classroom homepage in just a moment. So I'm just going to come to here and I can just hit delete on this. Yep, it's gone, no problem there. If you ever want to bring something back, it's no problem. You can just click on new page, title it what you want to, what kind of page you want, and it'll come back for you. So pretty easy there.